friend, I want to share with you 3 secrets in order to have the best homemade apple pie for these holidays, both healthy and classy recipe for you and your family consumption. But before unveiling these 3 secrets of the best apple pie discovered, you are highly welcome to Nzele Betty TV, where your health is our priority, and kindly subscribe while watching to join a healthy community if you are a lover of good health. Thank you for doing that. 1. Do not pre-cook your apples in the process of preparing your apple pie. Rather, what you should do is that toast your apples with salt, sugar and spices. Then allow it to sit for an hour before you can add them up to your pie crust. Why are we recommending you to toast your apples with salt, sugar and spices instead of pre-cooking them? Is because this is going to give you the best texture of apple pie after baking them. Secondly, make sure to bake apple pie for about 75 minutes, okay, in order to have the best simmer and thickness. Long bake time guarantees the filling has enough time to simmer and thicken itself. Hope you are jotting down this point, for if you bake it for less than 75 minutes, then you are not sure to have the best apple pie result. And thirdly, let your apple pie cool down before you slice it, as the filling needs them to set. So cut the apple pie when it's cold and in a room temperature to prevent a runny filling. Take note here that this simple apple pie recipe guarantees a perfect prepared apple surrounded by thick and delicious sauce. So looking into the key ingredient for this delicious apple pie, make sure to use high quality pie dough, which consists of flour, butter, salt and water. Then also use enough healthy apples made up of 2 varieties to give it an extra flavor and texture. Just a quick reminder, do not cook your apple before making your pie, okay? Rather, toast the peeled and sliced apple with sugar, salt and spices in a large bowl. Then keep the bowl aside and let the apple sit there for about 1 hour, so that the sugar and salt will release their delicious liquid for a yummy taste. Hope this 3 simple delicious recipe was clear, understandable and helpful. Try this out and get back to us ASAP in the comment section below. Nzele Betty TV is all about healthy education and healthy tips recipe for a healthy lifestyle. If you enjoyed watching or learned something new, why not consider sharing the video with your loved ones, and also subscribe to join us in this healthy journey of natural tips of living a healthy lifestyle. Cheers for watching up to this point. Much love, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you.